Time to make dinner. You can help in the kitchen. Stop at the sink first. Wash your hands to get rid of germs. Take the food you need from the refrigerator. Be sure to close the door. Some foods need to stay cold. If food is left out, it can spoil. Check dates to be sure food is fresh. Old food can make you sick. Wash fruits and vegetables. Everything you eat needs to be clean. Sharp knives can hurt you. Only cut with a grown-up's help. Hot stoves can burn you. Never touch the stove. Be careful near hot pots too. They can bubble and splash on you. Clean up messes right away. Someone could slip on a spill. Wash your hands again after helping. Clean hands keep you healthy. Clean the counters too. Clean the dishes and kitchen tools. Be a safe kid with food. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any fresh videos.